this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to fix Facebook not loading properly. Let's get started. First thing you want to do is check your internet connection. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data. Enable airplane mode for about 30 seconds, then disable it. Restart your Wi-Fi router if possible. Then open Facebook and see if it starts loading properly. Next, force close Facebook and reopen it. Launch Facebook. Swipe up, remove it, and again relaunch it. This clears temporary freeze states. Next up, clear cache for the app. So launch settings, go to general. Click on the option iPhone storage. From the list of apps, find Facebook and launch it. Click on upload app and confirm it. If you're using Android device, press and hold on the Facebook app. Click on the option app info, go to storage, click on clear cache and confirm it. Next up, restart your device. Likewise, check for app update. Head over to App Store or Play Store, search for the app Facebook. Once app appears, if you find the option of update, click on it and update the app to its latest version. Next, check the server status of Facebook. For that, launch your preferred browser. Type in Facebook server status and search for it. Now head over to the website Down Detector. If you found out any outages over here, wait until the problem will be resolved from the end. If not, you can try out other steps. Lastly, what you want to do is completely delete Facebook from your device and reinstall it. For that, press and hold on the Facebook app, click on Remove App, click on Delete App, click on Delete. Navigate to App Store or Play Store, search for the app Facebook and install it. And that's it. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.